welcome to Housey, myself Brinda. Today I am here at Nexon Travanza, brought to you by Nexon Builders, which is located in Hoskote, Bangalore. Right now I'm standing in front of the main entrance. So the land parcel starts from here. So let's get inside and explore more. So this is the marketing office where you will get all the project details. Now in this video, we will be discussing about the project overview, location, amenities, built-up area and plot sizes, launch discounts and launch offers and many more. Before we dive in, let me quickly tell you what exactly Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, giving you the best bottom price guarantee. Unlike other listing platforms, if you do a single inquiry, your contact number will be shared with multiple brokers, which result in too many phone calls. But in Housey, you just don't have to worry. Because in Housey, the listing will be done by the developers, not by the brokers. So book your dream home directly with Housey. Now let's quickly talk about the project overview. This project is spread across 8.06 acres of land parcel. And the best part is, we have only 119 premium villas, featuring G+2 floors. All are beautifully designed 4 BHK villas. This is a plot split villa concept. That means the land gets registered in your name first. So you're not just buying a house, you're owning a property. Less crowd, more privacy, better appreciation. This project is located near Old Madras Road, Hoskote, East Bangalore. Right now I'm standing in front of the main entrance of Nexon Travanza, talking about the surroundings. Towards my right hand side, this road takes you to Old Madras Road. Towards my left hand side, this particular road takes you to Sametanahalli. Connectivity is one of the biggest advantages here. We can reach STRR in just 10 minutes. Orion Uptown Mall is just 16 minutes away. Hope Farm Junction is just 20 minutes away. We can reach Bagmane Tech Park in 30 minutes. Perfect balance of connectivity and calmness. Coming to the amenities part, lifestyle here is fully loaded. You get 40 plus premium amenities for all the age groups. It includes elegant G+2 clubhouses, swimming pool, kids play area, indoor and outdoor games, mini football court, landscape gardens, walking and jogging tracks and many more. It's a complete community living experience. Now let's talk about the sizes. The plot sizes varies from 1,200 square feet to 1,800 square feet. 4 BHK villas come from different variants starting from 2,556 square feet to 3,600 square feet built-up area. The project is currently in pre-launch stage, where the booking window is now open. Interested clients are invited to visit the site, where our sales team will be explaining you about the project details, share pricing and payment plans, show the land parcel and guide you through the registration process. If you like the project, you can proceed with the registration process. Simple, transparent and direct. So everyone, this was the project overview of Nexon Travanza, brought to you by Nexon Builders, which is located in Hoskote near Old Madras Road, Bangalore. Until next video, stay tuned to www.housey.com. Brinda signing off.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.